Alright, we're at Jasper Knob here in Ishpeming. One of the most beautiful places, in my opinion, you'll ever find. All banded iron formation. Jasperite, as some people call it. Specular hematite, red hematite, and a little bit of quartz mixed in. Not a lot, but what you get here is a lot of soft sedimentary deformation. What you get are these real tight folds that crop up all over the place. Now, we're a rock collecting group. I gotta say, don't collect here. There are plenty of places where you can collect rocks from road cuts. You're not gonna be destroying natural beauty like this. Don't bring a rock hammer out here. As beautiful as this spot is, it has seen its share of vandals, as near as I can tell. Someone in the past put M80s into buckets of paint because some people just live for the sole purpose of destroying beautiful things. The consolation being that these rocks will far outlast the paint, but it does ruin the beauty for us a bit. These rocks used to be featured on the cover of geology textbooks. They aren't anymore because they're mostly painted over, sadly. Look at these crazy folds in here. Soft sedimentary deformation means that when these rocks were still kind of muddy and not actually fully formed, when they were still soft and squishy like mud, they were squished up. And this is all the folding that you see as a result of that. I've got to say, from up here, you get an absolutely gorgeous, unparalleled view of Ishpeming. So you're not only seeing really nice rocks, you're seeing a beautiful area. We'll do our best to ignore the paint a little bit on Jasper Knob here, but take a look at the beautiful folding and these banded iron formations here as it comes down and around. Absolutely beautiful. I want to show what this is. This is actually called a chevron fold here. It has a special name. It's these very tight folds that come down. They come up like so, come back down, and then back up, and back down. Incredibly tight folding. It's folded up like an accordion, basically.